Hello friends, this is Rahul Mingde. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to write a program to find the greatest of the three numbers using conditional operators. There are two conditional operators, question mark and a colon. So the complete program is written on the screen. You can observe this program. The program is started with two header files, stdio.h, connew.h, because it consists of different functions like clear screen, printf, scanf, getch, etc. Then starting with main function a, b, c, these are three variables and these are declared as integer. Then clear screen function is used to clear the output screen. On next line, printf function is used to print enter three numbers on output window, because we have to take three numbers from the user. That's why this statement is displayed on the screen, output screen, by using printf function. So the user will enter the three values and that values are stored in A, B, C. For that scanf function is used and then %d is used because A, B, C, these are integers. Okay. Then we have to find out the greatest number from three numbers. For that we are going to use conditional operators. So the same program can be written by using if-else statement, but the program becomes lengthy. To avoid this, the conditional operators are used. So the conditional operator is also called as ternary operators. The conditional operators are only ternary operators. So there are two operators, as I told you, question mark and a colon. So the expression one is a if, that means first condition a is greater than b, because there are two conditions, true or false. Okay, if the a is greater than b, if this condition is true, then it will check a is greater than c. If this condition is true, a is greater than c, then it will print a is greatest, because here by using first condition it is declared that a is greater. Okay, and then we compare a and c. Okay, and if a is greater, that means among three a is greatest number, else that means expression 2, if the condition is false, the condition is true. If you take this statement, then the syntax is like that: expression 1, then question mark, then expression 2, colon, and then expression 3. If this expression is true, then this expression 1 is executed, and if this expression is false, then last, that means expression 3 or expression 2, we can say this expression is executed. As I told you, if a is greater than c, that means if the condition is true, then this first expression is executed, and if this condition is false, that means c is greater, then this expression is executed, right? That means if a is greater than b, means if a is greater than b, then we compare a and c, and if a is greater than c, we write a is greatest, otherwise we write printf c is greatest. Okay, after that, if this first condition is false, that means B is greater than A, then leave the E or skip the variable A, then compare B and C, and if B is greater than C, we execute first expression, and if it is false, this condition is false, then last expression is executed, right? That means if B is greater than C, B is greatest, and if C is greater than B, C is greatest. That means if condition is true, this expression 1 is executed, and if this condition is false, then last expression is executed, and then get ch and close curly bracket, right? Then compile the program, then run the program. Suppose enter 3 numbers, any 3 numbers you can enter, 11, 22 and then 33. Okay, so among these 3 numbers 33 is greatest. So here you can observe C is greatest because A means 11, B means 22 and C means 33. Thank you.